At a later date, we're going to edge stitch or prick stitch all across here just to secure the canvas in place in this section so it's not secured to the back. There'll also be a stitch coming down here to make sure that none of this can ever stem forward. We're now going to trace the line to which our 4-part lining is going to be placed. And it'll sit approximately 3/4 of an inch in front of the raw edge that we've just drawn. It's the other way around. Like so. Now, if we grab our 4-part lining and start placing this on, we can start deciding where that needs to be orientated. I'm just going to quickly press that. So I've here got my lining, and I'm going to position it in place on top of the 4-part. The way I position it in place is I'm matching this seam up to this seam, which you can't see hidden behind the canvas there, and I'm going to place the tip of it a good inch above the armhole. This should leave you with a good couple inches below the bottom of the coat, like so, and an inch above the top of the coat over here, approximately. We're then going to begin by basting the center line down of this lining. So feeling for the front of the coat, I'm going to start a couple inches down from the armhole. And I'm then going to match this seam up with the seam that sits below it, including little bubbles of fullness as I go along. Now these bubbles of fullness, I'm pushing them by pushing up on the coat. So I can feel the seam beneath and make sure that the coat is nice and taut, and I just include a little bubble of fullness as I go along. I'm going to stop a couple of inches up from the bottom of the coat. Now the reason why the lining needs to be filled in is so that it doesn't interfere with our top cloth. If the lining's tight, our top cloth will get shrunk in and there'll be visible drag marks on the other side of the coat. So we stop approximately this high up, and then we proceed with forming a little pleat here in this section of the coat. So it's placed approximately over here in this direction. So we'll mark it across very, very lightly on the lining, like so. And that little excess there that we had is going to get drawn down. Place your ruler beneath and pull a little pleat into place. And baste that down from about there. This pleat here will prevent any tightness of lining accumulating across your chest. Remember, we have a chest dart, but we don't have a dart in the chest of the lining. And this is what that pleat is for. I'm quickly going to press this crease in.